Oh, TK, they're not going to make a Charger V8. It's not going to happen. You don't know what you're talking about. And every time I get told that, what do? We laugh, we kiki, we just sit back and drink our coffee and our tea and occasionally some Hennessy with our pinkies out. Because what would you know? Why would there be a Hemi pilot of a Charger unless they're building it? You don't say. So I get this stuff all the time, man, and I try not to, I do my best to try to protect my sources by, scribbling different stuff out. And I've done this before when we had Hemi pilots of the Rams that were coming out before, Ram announced that the Hemi was coming back. Our track record, myself, Butter the Insider, OC Motivator, is I like to say probably the best in the industry, but that's just me. Maybe I'm biased. I don't know, but I think ours is probably the best in the industry when it comes to leaking information on upcoming products at Stellantis, or at least at Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. We'll say FCA. I've been talking about all of the testing. Can they fit a Hemi in it? Did they do a Hemi in it? Testing they did on the Charger in Mexico, testing of one that they built at CTC. And now, thanks to my people over at Windsor Assembly, I get the following screenshot in. Or I guess I should say image, but I'll put this here. So just as before, and I said, look, we had the Ram pilots that were run. They ran two Charger Daytonas, two doors, with a Hemi in it, a V8. Now, usually if they're building a pilot, it means that they're getting close to production of that vehicle. Now, that's crazy. I mean, it would make sense now that we've seen everything that's gone on with CAFE standards and emissions don't matter anymore, and there's no more fines. Like, Stellantis doesn't have to pay money to build stuff they want. So that's why the day if you pay attention, the day the House passed the big beautiful bill and it was going to the president's desk, Tim Kaniskis dropped that video that said SRT is back. And they had an idea that the bill was going to pass anyway. That's why you saw the teasers coming from Goldsberg, bring back SRT, and on and on and on. And now here we are. We are on the cusp of Hemis coming back into everything. We already have them in Ram, we have them in the Durango, but we're going to get it in the Charger. And I've said it multiple times, and people are like, oh, they would have to change so much, TK. They would have to re-engineer all of this stuff. Okay. Then why do we have an image from the computer that shows they just built a pilot? Means that we're probably close, and probably before the end of this year, we get an announcement of the Charger coming back with a V8. Now, we also know that the Cuda is coming. We know that the Dodge Viper is coming back. And Dodge is going to get back to having a good portfolio of products, thank God. But I have a separate video on what's going on with Chrysler because I thought it was interesting and just something that you should pay attention to. When they posted the stuff about SRT coming back, the only social media account of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram that didn't post anything for it? Chrysler. Jeep posted it. Ram posted it. Dodge posted it. Not Chrysler. Red flag. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you excited for a Hemi coming back to the Charger? Because I'm going to tell you right now, I know that they're pushing to get these Hurricane engine, Chargers out and get them to dealers. But I can tell you right now, if you're going to give a customer the option to have a 5.7 Hemi in a Charger or a Hurricane engine. Now, yeah, some people might want to get the Hurricane engines because it's going to be a little faster. It has more power, blah, blah, blah. But it's also a maintenance nightmare. And if you want a BMW, go buy a BMW. You don't need to buy a BMW that's made by Dodge, okay? But if you want that rumble, that good old Hemi, it's coming. And the fact that they're building pilots tells you everything you need to know. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I think I mentioned this in the other videos today. We do have some new hats, some new stuff that are up over on tksgarage.com, and our giveaway for the Tesla Model S is closing out on July 16th. Between now and the 16th of July, we're doing 20x entries on everything at tksgarage.com. So if you want to win that car with unlimited free supercharging and full self-driving and all the other cool stuff that it does, go jump in. But anyways, until next time, thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying your 4th of July weekend. And as always, you know, make sure you drink your Hennessy or your coffee or your tea with the pinky out. Because like me, I'm going to stay petty, my friends. They're going to stop playing with me. Told them. Never going to bring back the Hemi. Hemi's not coming back to the Charger. For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest time. Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet.